Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to do a little update video and maybe a little bit of picking. The update is about the eBay package I opened up yesterday on video, and just wanted to show you a little bit of the progress I made with the Papaiz. Cleaned up fairly nicely. Just used a little bit of Brasso and she cleaned up real nice. It's unfortunate this side was beat up a little bit, but that's okay. Still works beautifully. Got the inside all cleaned out, got all that gunk and graphite out of it, and I just sprayed in some brake cleaner several times, and then flushed it out with some compressed air, and then lubed it up with a little bit of siliconized WD-40, and now she works beautifully, absolutely beautifully. I only stuck a pick in it for a minute or two, haven't really spent a whole lot of time on it yet, but yeah, it actually turned out beautiful. And again, there's the key, and you notice that little mark right there? That tells you which way to orient your key. And if you'll notice, there's a little bump there, indentation, and if you turn it this way, it matches up, the profile matches up perfectly to that little picture on the lock there, and that's the way you insert it. Try to do it any other way, it won't go in all the way, it only goes in partially. So you gotta orient that correctly, and there you go. Also, another little tidbit I didn't notice when I was opening the package, I mean, even throughout the cleaning process of this lock, I didn't use any Brasso on this one, but I did clean the internals. The grease that was still in the core from the factory had hardened up, was making it very sticky, and I cleaned up the shackle a little bit. It had some gunk and stuff on it, but cleaned up nicely, and I think I'll leave the patina on this one. Essentially, in my opinion, the internals are like brand new on this. But it wasn't until I went to stick a pick in that I noticed this. A restricted American keyway. And I have a few American restricted keyways, but I did not have that one. I have this one, which is quite similar. Not exactly the same, it's reversed. So you got these two mirror images of each other. This one I had, this one I just got, and this is the only one that I did not have. I had the original. I have the reverse of the original. That's your reversed original American keyway. Let me show you a comparison. So there you go, your standard, your reversed, and then you've got your other restricted keyway with a mirror image as well. And now I have a complete set of the American keyways. I don't know if there are any more. I don't believe there are. If anybody knows out there, please let me know in the comments if there are any other keyways from American Padlock Company. I'd love to know, but I do believe these are the only four. So yeah, very happy to have gotten that keyway. Nice little surprise. So let's go ahead and give this guy a picking. Works beautifully. And top the keyway as normal with the Americans. And I'm going to use my gem profile in 19,000s from Law Lock Tools. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit, get you a little bit better look at what's going on here. Some light tension to the back. Click on 5. Click on 4. Click on 3. Another click on 3. Two still springy. One springy, two springy. Another click on 3 and a little bit of core movement. And now we're on number 2. A little click. Number 1. Got a click there. Maybe a little bit of an overset. Got another click out of 3. Pin 5. Solid. Another click out of 3. Another click out of 3. Another click out of 2. Another click out of 3, and there we go. Got the open. All right, let's go ahead and open this guy up and see what she's got inside. Again, I'll show you all the bidding. That was the bidding. I think I forgot to show that. There you go. And definitely felt like there was quite a bit of serrations in the drivers. So that's gonna be my prediction. Serrated's maybe a spool. Didn't get very much of a false set, just a little bit of core movement, so it's possible there's no spools in there, but typically with the higher security American locks, I found that they tend to load them up with serrateds as opposed to the spools, and I can see why. It's a little bit more tricky when you've got an American lock chock full of serrated drivers as opposed to serrated spools. That's just my opinion. So, got plenty of lube on it since I just cleaned it up. As you can see, everybody needed picked. Huh. Well, that's interesting. We got a few of them, I see. Huh. Well, we'll have to fix that. We've got some wafers in here, it looks like. Yep. Wafers in 3, 4, and 5. So we will have a follow-up video to this without the wafers. I do have an American pinning kit, so I will be able to pin this up properly for a little bit more challenging pick. And again, a wafer in number 1 driver chamber with a serrated driver, and another wafer in 2. So wafers in 1 through 5. And a serrated driver. Serrated driver. Serrated driver. Serrated driver, as I predicted. So there we have it, and it's just got your standard American springs, nothing special, standard core. Straighten these out a bit and give you all a look-see. And there you have it. That's what we have. Very nice. And thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you would, please smash the like button and drop me a comment. And if you'd like to see more, definitely hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I'd greatly appreciate it. And I'll keep the content coming. Thanks. Peace.